Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you are doing well.
Dear students, our today's revision topic is Mark 1. In 1941, Professor Howard Aiken used the ideas of Charles Babbage and designed a computer with the engineers of a company called IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. This computer worked electromechanically without any manual efforts. It could perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication. This computer was named as Mark I. Mark I was also known as the Automatic Sequence Controlled Computer, or abbreviated as ASCC. So, dear student, another machine was developed in 1941 by Professor Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken followed or used the ideas of Charles Babbage of developing machines. He designed the computer with the contribution of engineers of a company called IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. Mark I worked electromechanically. It means without any human efforts or manual efforts you can work on it. It is able to perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication. It is also known as Automatic Sequence Controlled Computer. Dear students, our second machine is ENIAC. Improvements in the design of Mark I lead to the development of another computer. This was named as ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. ENIAC was designed by Eckert and Moseley in 1946. So, dear students, ENIAC is an improved form of Mark I, and it is abbreviated as ENIAC. Full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. It was developed by Eckert and Moseley in 1946. ENIAC could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It could perform 5,000 additions in a second, but it is very big in size and consumed a lot of electricity. So, dear students, ENIAC could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is a capacity of ENIAC that it could perform 5,000 additions in a second. But in structural form, it was very big in size and used a lot of electricity. Now, dear students, come to the exercise of chapter number 1, question number 1. Part E. Which computer followed the ideas of Charles Babbage? When was it developed and by whom? So we have revised that Mark I computer followed the ideas of Charles Babbage. It was developed in 1941 by Professor Howard Aiken. Second question is, what were the limitations of ENIAC? We also revised that ENIAC could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It could perform 5,000 additions in a second.